Hi there, friends. Do you like fruits? Today we are going on a fruit adventure. Let's learn the names of some yummy and healthy fruits together. Are you ready? Let's go! This is an apple, red and round, crunchy and juicy. What a sound! Can you say apple? Next comes banana, yellow and long. Peel it and eat it, you can't go wrong. Can you say banana? Here's a bunch of grapes, purple and small. Sweet and squishy, I want them all. Say it with me, grapes. Orange is round and full of juice. Good for breakfast, it's no use to refuse. Say orange. How about a strawberry, red and sweet, with tiny seeds, such a tasty treat. Say strawberry. Now let's try a watermelon, big and green, red inside with seeds in between. Can you say watermelon? Wow, you did amazing! Let's say the fruits we learned one more time. Repeat after me. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, strawberry, watermelon. Yay! You're a fruit expert now. Fruits are yummy and help us grow strong. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to eat your fruits and stay healthy. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.